Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and your brand new mirror assembly. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked securely, with the ignition completely off for safety. Finally, apply painter's tape around the mirror base to protect your car's finish during the removal process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Gently use your trim removal tool to pry off the interior door panel, exposing the mirror's internal connections. Locate and carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness that powers the mirror's adjustments and features. Then, using your screwdriver, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later. With the old mirror removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the opening on your door frame. Insert and tighten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts to firmly secure the mirror in its proper position. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror's port, ensuring a snug and secure connection for all functions. Before finishing up, let's test the new mirror. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and check the power adjustments, along with any integrated turn signals or heating elements. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Finally, give the mirror a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and ready for the road. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.